Hello, peeps. It's your boy Ron. Yeah, baby. So today's Wednesday, right? So Wednesday evening or Wednesday morning specials. So I was able to, and these are hard to really find on sale. So I see, and I was in there, and the guy said, "Hey, we got some markdowns today." You know, my eyes got big like cherry blossoms. So we have some country style ribs that was on sale, which is normally $3.69 a pound. This is 2.35 pounds. And I got, which is normally $8.67, but it's on sale for $5.20. Yeah, baby. See that? Now, I love me some ribs, country ribs. You can do so many good things with them. Unfortunately, always high as all get out. I'm surprised these were even regularly ate something, because every time I go in, I'm selling them for $20. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take these and clean them, and then I'll be back, and then we're gonna cut them up and put them in here in the pan, saute them a little bit, get them cooking nice and good, let them simmer. And my son wants to taste some with gravy. I got him on my great gravy fix thing, but I want to take some of these and I want to put them in. I want to make some garlic flavored ones, and there's a couple other different flavors I want to make. But on this video, we're just going to stick with the one that he wants, which is going to be the gravy flavored one. We're probably going to have some kind of side, like I don't know, rice or mashed potatoes. I haven't decided that far out yet, but let me go ahead and get these cleaned up, and I'll be back with you. Okay, I'm back. So the ones I normally get usually don't have much bones in them, but out of the 3 pieces that's in here, they have bones. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them in the pan. Let me go ahead and turn this down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. That's the good meat. I'm going to slide all this stuff over so you can see me cook this. Oh, wait a minute. Come here, butter. There we go. So first, the universal master to disaster. Put a little bit of butter up in this Mickey Flicky. And we're going to take it and slide him right up in here. Most of these have bones in them, so I'm going to have to cook it the way it is, and then I'm going to have to cut it up later. But while this is cooking, I'm going to grab some seasonings and let this simmer, and then I'm going to take them out, cut them up, re-season them again, and then we're going to add some other stuff like a little bit of celery, onions, some green pepper, things of that nature, to add a little to the dish. And then we're going to serve it to my bottomless pit stomach that I call a child. No, I'm just joking. But let's go ahead and let me get this, the other seasoning stuff together, and let this simmer for a little bit, and I'll be back with you. Yeah, baby. Yeah, this thing is cooking up real nice. So I'm going to put some seasoning. One of them is going to be my Caribbean. I'm not going to say the name. Uh-oh. A little cayenne pepper. Yep, that's do it the other way. Just give it a, just give it a little bite. A little bit of my Kingsford Cajun style, just a little bit. So you're going to give it a little bang bang. And I'm going to use something I haven't used in a long time, some seasoned salt. Now, as this is cooking, I'm going to let this simmer for a little bit, and then I'm going to get some gravy, and then let it all simmer up together. So I'm going to go get another pot, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare the gravy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the gravy with the onions, a little bit of celery, not much, And I'm going to put some green peppers in that onion. But I'm going to do it over there at the other workstation so I don't mix it up and make sure the gravy kind of melts and combines good before pouring it on top of this and let it turn to simmer. So I'll be back. So I'm going to take some brown gravy rice and I'm going to take some water and with the onions and stuff and put it into another pot while I let this stuff over here simmer, while I let these country steaks simmer. Then I'm going to take them out, cut them up, put them back in, and then throw in the gravy. I'll be back. So this is almost done. I just flipped it over a few times. I seasoned both sides. Look how delicious this looks. Let me just zoom in so you guys see how mouth-watering that looks. If you can only smell what it tastes like, snacky cake. Snacky cake. So I'm about to, I got the gravy cooking on the other side. I'm about to break that over and pour it on top of here, and then I'll be right back with you. That smells good. All right, guys, here we go. Here's the gravy. Oh no, wait a minute. Here we put the pimpin' in it. Now, this is going to simmer for a little bit. I'm not going to let you guys sit here and watch all this goodness simmer and cook to perfection. So I'll be back when this is done. And we'll do a quick taste test. We got it, we're here, and we are ready to go. So let me just grab one of these country ribs. And we're gonna do a quick sniff, we'll let you know what it looks like. Go do a quick sniff test. Heavenly delicious. Nice and seasoned. Nice and, oh, it's even moist. Which is not surprising when you smother it in butter. Oh, gosh. That is nice. The creamy texture of that pork rib. Now this country buff, which I believe is pork, but it is so soft and smooth and creamy. I could literally eat this if I didn't have a tooth in my mouth. Literally, this is that good. And I'm using some people call a butter knife. It's pretty much useless. And it just comes right off the bone. And this has not been air fried or anything. This has just been cooked in butter. That is so nice. Oh, that is so nice. And just, if you just see this, how easy this just tears away from the bone. It's almost effortless, see? I'm using a fork. This is absolutely mouth-watering. How would I rate this? This is delicious. This is at bare minimum on a bad day. I would give this a 9.2. But today is getting a 9.8. This is, for something that hasn't been maybe tenderized and basically washed and then smothered in butter to be this, wow, this is nice. Wow. And I just used regular brown gravy with this. Cooked it, seasoned it up with seasoned salt, Cajun style seasoning. Used some cayenne peppers and Caribbean style. I won't say it, but there you go. And then basically I just put it in, put the butter in the pan, cook it, flipped it, season the other side, let it cook. Go in and prepare the gravy. Put the onions and stuff in the gravy, let it, the powder dissolve really well, and pour it right over top of it. and let it simmer for a while. And it comes out absolutely mouth-watering. Again, absolutely mouth-watering. This stuff is delicious. And you know something, I just realized this whole time that this light ain't on. But it doesn't matter. It still tastes delicious. So, would I recommend this? I would highly recommend this. But then again, you have to catch these country ribs on sale because usually they're a little bit on the pricey side for what you get. Wow, that is really, really nice. And this is something your significant other, your children, everybody will love because it's just so good and tender and juicy. And I mean, I tell you, this is, if my grandmother was still alive, she'll have a field date on this. She'll be like, baby, you did good. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself, live long, live happy. Make sure you come back and see me. And this is Country Ribs, done Ron's way. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.